So I am not feeling well today, but my family still needs to eat. So I'm about to throw something together real quick like. So if you're a faithful follower, then you know we absolutely love onions and peppers. So I like to incorporate it in most of my savory meals. And so today, you heard it. It's a quick recipe, a mashup because I don't have much time and we're ready to eat. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here on today. Thanks for stopping by the Johnson Ranch for this quick recipe. If you're new, please don't be a stranger. Come on and subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would love for you to become part of my Priceless family. So while my onions and peppers are sauteing, I'm simply going to brown this ground beef. So in my wok, I'm introducing about a tablespoon or two of olive oil. And yesterday, Mama made rice. So guess what? We're going to use that leftover rice and incorporate it into this quick dinner. So now I'm adding my ground beef to that rice, onions, and peppers. And just in case you're thinking this is not real hair, take a listen. So yeah, I'm doing my good quick cooking today at the Johnson Ranch. And I'm just going to add about a half a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. And we'll be eating good at the Johnson Ranch in just a few moments. Just keep watching. So now to make it pretty, because presentation is everything. Now, comment below, what is your quick go-to recipe when you're tired or just don't feel like cooking? So I saved a little bit of that hamburger and pepper mixture, and on today for lunch, I'm having a little pizza. That's right, I used that Mission Carb Balance flour tortilla, a little bit of tomato sauce, and added some cheese, and voila, 2 meals in one. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me throughout the entire video on today. In fact, I'm editing this video and working on another video all at the same time. I'm in the midst of my pre-fall deep cleaning, going from room to room to room. I'm excited about fall. It's my favorite time of the year because I love cooler weather. Not cold, but cooler weather. I love wearing sweaters, drinking hot cocoa, and most importantly, watching Tar Heel football. So I'm excited, and I hope that you are too. All of my loyal subscribers and my new subscribers as well, welcome back, and one big hug from me to all of you. Sure that your notification bell is clicked twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Make sure to watch my pre-fall cleaning series. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. On IG and Facebook, it's the Priceless Pearl Life.